it gives 1 inch of rise to the handlebar. Hi and welcome to Sam on a Bike Sweden. This is hopefully the first episode of 2023. I'm terribly sorry that I haven't posted anything on YouTube lately. I have tried but failed so many times. But hopefully this will be the first video for you. This video is about the handlebar risers for my FJR 1300. I will show you how to install them. But I will also warn you that this is not a complete installation, because I got a memory card failure while recording. So I will show you how you take everything off, but not how you install it. But I will tell you about it in the end of the video. So hopefully you can do this by yourself. The first thing we need to take off are these caps. They are 2.5 millimeters hex nut, like this. Then you have these two, and we are going to take them off. Like this. Like that. Do the same thing on the other side. All right. Now I have like that. And now we will just wiggle the handles off from the bike, like this. And this one, like this. I don't know if you see this, but it's a metal frame. This frame, which is holding the cables in position, and I think I need to cut this, and I don't really want to do that, but hey, we have to move on. Now we have this big nut, and also this. It's 36 millimeter. Just like that. And it's loose. Very good, gummisnodd.
Wow, that is nice.
Thanks. Den här var väldigt very annoying. I had a visit from my neighbor. He is out barbecuing outside. This is the bracket that we need to remove. I have actually to cut them. Så har vi där då.
Ja.
Ja, det var rejäl tång det där du.
Ja, det står som.
As you can see, the installation is now finished. And unfortunately, I failed to show you the installation process because of the memory card failure. I will now tell you how I put everything back together, what I did. The last thing you saw in the video, I believe, was when I took this off. This bracket that was located under the triple tree. When you have taken this out, you could just put the triple tree back on the forks. You just push it back and then you tighten the stem nut. And this should be torqued to 115 Newton. After that, you can take the bar risers, take one and put it on the triple tree. There are some pegs in the bar riser that go into the holes of the triple tree. Then you have to take this thing here, the handlebar, and put it on top of the bar riser. You also use nuts and bolts that comes with the bar risers. This is just for you to see what I mean. This is not the bolt that came with the package, but it's a similar bolt. So I took this and I installed it from the bottom of the triple tree and the nut on top. And then you have the hex bolt. This is the original one. The one that comes with the bar risers are obviously longer. And this one I put from the top here and down. And a nut here. And just tighten it. This big 17 bolt should be torqued to 65 Newton meters. This 6mm hex bolt should be torqued with 23 Newton meters. And these pinch bolts that you have here on the side should be torqued to 26 Newton meters. That's everything you have to do. I also installed this phone mount. I put it in between just to have this to clear the tank a little bit more. And also to see the phone or my GPS better.